Okay guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to formatting a hard drive or external hard drive, whether it's internal or external. So how to do this in Windows 10. The first thing before formatting a hard drive is click on the error folder, because you have to check if there's anything left in your hard drive. Remember those. So as you can see, this will be the example we're going to use. It's an external drive I plugged in. Just click on here. So in this case, you can see I got a file here. So if you guys think you got some files in your hard drive and you want to keep it, so you must take it out before you formatting, because after formatting, every file in the hard drive will be lost forever. So remember that point, guys. Before you format, you must keep a backup for those drives. In this case, I'm just gonna pull this up to my desktops. Okay, now it is safe for me to do formatting now. So just go to the Windows bar here and type disk manager. Click enter, and it will take you to the disk manager. First, we have to find the external hard drive. In this case, it's a D drive. This external one is just a name I gave to it. This external drive. You could have different names for whether it's external or internal drives. In this case, you first click on external, and you can see this box is getting highlighted. So what you have to do is right click on it, and you can see all those options. In this case, what you have to do is just format the drive. I can give it a new name such as my school book. Okay. And for file system, there are multiple systems you can choose. If you're using the NTFS format, it means the hard drive can only be using on Windows 10. We can't using it in other systems such as macOS. Therefore, I can't use NTFS because I also have to use other systems at the same time at very frequency. So therefore, I can't choose NTFS. Next three options left is FAT, FAT32, and XFAT. FAT and FAT32 is old file format. If you're using those two type file format, you got much more limitations. One example is that each of the file you stored in your FAT32 file disk cannot be larger than 4 GB. This means no file can be larger than 4 GB if you want to store them in those drives. But for modern day using, most people have to store large size videos or some other big files, even install their games or their external hard drives. So it's not realistic now to using this old file format. So the only option left is XFAT. So XFAT is a newly built version of FAT, and it can be used in both systems, like any system. You can use it in Windows 10, and you can also use it in macOS, and you can also use it in some Android or other OS. So for XFAT, it's like more of a universal file format. Also, it doesn't have size limit of how big size its file have to be put inside. So therefore, I choose XFAT. And make sure you choose a quick format if you want to spend less time. And just click OK. As you can see here, formatting this will release all the data, so backup any data you want to keep before formatting. So OK. Unfortunately, because the label supply is not OK. This is because I think my name is wrong somewhere. So in this case, I'm just giving new names such as drive. Just now has been turned successful format. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. This is how you do formatting in Windows 10. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and like button. Also, if you have any opinions, you can just ask me or type below the comments section.